Hello guys, I have opened it up for parts, for taking parts, another VHS tape reader, Orion. So it have original circuits, even this power supply, that's what I was meaning to show you. You can see it's a different type. It have this circuit here. It have maybe a regulator or transistor, is a transistor. Some many components, two fuses, and this transformer is a power transformer for this video reader. So it have another fuse here to protect the transformer in primary. This is the secondary. Well, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Bye guys, stay safe.